Computer control shortcut and their functions. Control plus A, select all. Control plus B, bold. Control plus C, copy. Control plus Alt plus P, paste special. Control plus D, fill down. Control plus F, find. Control plus G, go to. Control plus H, replace. Control plus I, italic. Control plus K, insert. Hyperlink. Control plus N, new workbook. Control plus O, open file. Control plus P, print. Control plus R, fill right. Control plus S, save workbook. Control plus T, create. Table. Control plus U, underline. Control plus V, paste. Control plus W, close window. Control plus X, cut. Control plus Y, repeat. Control plus Z, undo. Control plus 1, format box. Control plus 5, strike through. Control plus 9, hide row. Shift plus Control plus 9, unhide row. Control plus 0, hide column. Shift plus Control plus 0, unhide column. Control plus space, select column.